Oh, here, this is the story. Look, this is the mother bird. Look, this is the mother bird. And these are two legs are there and the feathers. And this is the father bird. Mother birds and father birds, they are looking a suitable place to build their bird nest. After they find a place to build their bird nest, so then they make their bird nest. They make the bird nest and the mother bird sit on the bird nest and she lay the eggs. Mother bird sit on the bird nest and she laid eggs. These are the eggs. These are the eggs. The mother bird laid eggs. Okay. Mother bird laid the eggs and she sit on the bird nest to warm the eggs. She sit on the bird nest to warm the eggs. After few days, father bird bring the foods and
mother bird.
Yeah, this is mother bird and father bird fly and bring foods to the mother birds to eat. Mother bird is sitting on the bird nest and he brings food, the fat, juicy worms, other things he bring and give it to mother bird to eat. Then after few days, we can see after few days the eggs are ready to hack in. The eggs are ready to hack in. The small baby birds are come out from the egg. Small baby birds are come out from the eggs. The eggs are hacking. The mother birds and father birds were very happy. They were very happy. They went out and they bring foods to their babies to eat. Oh. Okay. And mother bird and father bird bring the foods to their babies to eat. They were very happy and the babies are open their mouth very sharp like this. They open their mouth like this. Then eat it all. The birds eat it all the foods. After few days, they became a small birds. Then the mother bird and father bird teach to their babies to how to fly. How to fly. Then you can fly. The mother bird and father bird teach to their babies to fly. Okay. You want to draw your leg? Okay. Keep your leg here and I'm going to draw your leg. Draw your feet. Anna, it's a small feet. This is your feet. The right feet. Sure. You want to draw your feet? Okay, keep it here. I'm going to draw your feet. Yeah. Anna, your feet. This is the bird story. You got it? Birds.
Another feet.
Oh, not the feet and that feet and this feet. Yeah. Give a big clap to the story. Wow, wonderful.